Hey guys! Sweet idea, sweet class! This is John from Phillip and Noah. Today's class is the most popular class at Phillip and Noah, the Oreo vending machine. With this Phillip and Noah kit, we are going to make an Oreo vending machine. Here we go! If you open this box, you can find the vending machine kit. Ta-da! What you can find in here is snacks you can put it in your vending machine. Manual. And stickers you can use to decorate the vending machine. And then there is this postal tube that is used to operate the machine. Lastly, there is a box for the vending machine. Ta-da! So with this kit, I will show you how you can make a vending machine. We're going to begin by putting the box and the tube together. The important part here is that this dented part has to go to the left side of the box. See this hole here? We're going to put the tube through the hole. You put it in like this. You'll also find lids that look like this inside the kit. Take the lids out. And when you put the lid on, hold this part only because if you hold the both sides, it might bend in the middle. So hold it hard and tight. Now we're going to start making the vending machine. You all got the brush and the paint, right? If you have other paint tubes at home, you can mix them together with ours, and it is even better to have an acrylic paint. So now we're going to paint the front part. The color I chose for today is, ta-da, mint. So how do you make the color mint? If you have blue, yellow, and white paint at home, mix them together and that's it. So today I'll paint this part mint green. You can just paint it with a big brush like this. Ta-da! You don't have to paint the sides, you can just paint it up to the top here. While we wait for the paint to dry, we'll start making the buttons for the vending machine. You'll find these little strips of paper inside. We'll draw on the big one and write on the little one. These Phillip and Noah stickers are also included in our package. Cut the letter stickers and stick them on the paper. On this paper, you can draw Oreos, Haribos, or any snack of your choice. Let's get started. Let's start with the Oreo. How does an Oreo look? It looks round, right? So we'll draw a circle here. And another small circle inside it. Then we'll write OREO in the circle. It even has these little patterns. Triangle, triangle, triangle. We can even draw a flower here. This is all dry now. Ta-da! Since we're done with the buttons, we'll now put the machine together. You can do whatever you want to decorate this machine. I'm going to use the materials in here and decorate it my way, and you, my friends, can do it on your way. I'm going to put some stickers on these windows here. The long one. You can cut it smaller too, but I'm going to use them uncut. It doesn't have to be straight either. I'm going to add these little eyes as well. Should I put it here or here? Here's good. You can even draw lips or write something with this pen here. Like this. Bit of blush. Hey guys. Ta-da! And now the stickers. If you flip it over, you can see that it has a double-sided tape. Just peel this off and stick it on. Now we're done with the buttons as well. Where is this vending machine being made? Remember, it's Phillip and Noah. I'll write Phillip and Noah here. You guys can write "This is mine" if you want. Now for the finishing touch, you can use these stickers however you want. And stick these on wherever you want, but the arrow stickers have a special place. These arrows show that this is where the snacks come out. This is where the snacks come out. I'll put it on the inside too. I think we're about done with the stickers. Do you see these little stickers in the kit too? This is the most important part. When you turn the tube, it might pop out like this. If this happens, you won't be able to get the snacks out. So we need to wrap the sticker around the tube so that it shows you should not go over that line. You can make the marking by drawing something on the tube as well, but I'm going to use these stickers. We even sent you these sparkly stickers. I'll wrap these around either end of the tube. Ta-da! My vending machine is ready for use. I would love to know how yours turned out. Please show me how yours vending machine turned out when you're done. Now we need to put the snacks in the machine. I even included the snacks for you to put in the machine. We'll start with the Oreos. One important thing, this part is where the snacks are stored, and this part is where the snacks come out. Sometimes people ask me why the snacks don't come out from here. That is because snacks can't come out from this storage. It is just storage for your favorite snacks. So if you want to get the snacks out, take them out from this side. When you put in the Oreos, do not put it in this way. You should put them in horizontally. The rest of the snacks will go in the storage. Now let's try out the Oreos. When you play this at home, try pressing the buttons like this. Beep. Let's give it a go. Ta-da! I got an Oreo. So as you can see, you can use this as a snack storage at home. That's it. We now have a vending machine. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe. Machine. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe. Machine.